Hello guys and welcome to the fifth video of the Minesweeper tutorial using Java. What we're gonna do in this video is whenever we click on a box, set its revealed value to true. Let's go ahead and whenever we start our program, make all the revealed values false. So sorry, this is Greek. Revealed of I and j equals false. Okay, so let's go down here, here where the mouse is clicked, and say if, and let's go on and copy this thing right here because we are super lazy. This means that we are inside a box. So whenever we're inside of a box, let's go ahead and make the revealed of this box right here. So let's copy that and also that and set it equal to true. So what we did right here, whenever we click the mouse, if it is inside a box, we're using the same as this one. So whenever it is inside a box, go ahead and make that box revealed. So let's see if it works. Go up here, delete this, and change this to revealed. So whenever a box is revealed, make it yellow. So let's click this one, and now we can see that the box 8.3 is revealed and it is yellow. The 9.3 is yellow as well. The 6.2 through 5, they're all revealed. Okay, now that we know that it works, let's go ahead and do something else. What are we gonna do next? Is whenever a box is revealed, we want if it contains a mine to stop the game because the player, it means that the player has lost, and if it does not contain a mine, display the number of all the neighbor mines. So what we need to do is first of all check if we got any neighbor mines. So let's go ahead and copy that and delete that and copy this one in here and change the I to M and the J to N. Sorry, on the other side. Okay. Now go ahead and create a variable, integer variable called nace, and set it equal to 0, and go all the way down and create a new boolean, public boolean, and call it is n. So let's go ahead and cast some integers inside. So the first one is going to be cx, the second one is to be cy, or actually mx and my, then it's going to be cx and cy. So and return false. So what we want to check in here is whether two boxes are next to each other or they're neighbors. I mean, this box right here, let's make it yellow. The box 11.4 has 8 neighbors around it. Those 8. Okay, and we want to check whether those are neighbors or not. So what we have to do, this is the x of the main box of this box right here, the mx and my, and the cx stands for, and the cy stands for current x and current y, and it is about we're going to check all the boxes one by one and see if they're neighbors. So yeah, let's go. If mx minus cx is less than 2, and also mx minus cx is greater than minus 2, set the space here, and my minus cy, actually let's go ahead and copy that because it's the same thing, just with y's instead of x's. So so this thing right here checks if their x and y difference between this and all this is less than equal or less than 1. So the difference of this and this is minus 1, of this and the for y is minus 1, for this and this, sorry, the difference of x of this and this is minus 1, for this and this is 0, and for this and this is 1. The same way goes for it goes the same way for y as well. Okay, and what we also want to add is mines of cx and cy is equal to 1, because what's going on? Yeah, okay, never mind, it's no problem. We just okay. We should have no problem right here. Yeah. So if we do not add this, it's going it's not going to say if a neighbor has any it's not going to know whether a neighbor box contains a mine or not, and it's going to return true for all its neighbors, but we only want the neighbors that contain mines. So let's go up here again, and set our nice variable up here equal to 0. Then go in here and say if is n of and cast I, j, m, and n equals true. What is going on? Okay, equals true. Then increase nice by 1, and in the end set the neighbors of I and j equal to nice. Okay, let's go ahead. What's going on? What exactly is the problem here? We got a problem. We have to find it. mx cx mx cx my cy my cy x and y 6 cy. Okay, the problem is here, of course, but why is there a problem at all? Let's go ahead and add this maybe. Yep, we need some parentheses. It seems so. Oh no, we do not need no parentheses. We forgot to say that this should be greater than -2. Yep, that's gonna work. Perfect. Sorry guys, my fault. Okay. Now to see if it works, let's go and instead of the revealed, so make yellow those that contain mines. Okay, and go on the mouse clicked method, right where we display the box, and say a number of neighbors of my maze. Let's write it this way, and write neighbors of inbox x and inbox y. So let's go ahead and check if it works. So this right here should contain 1, 2, 3, 4 neighbors, and yep, it works. It's got 4 neighbors. So this right here contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 neighbors, and yep, it is working. This one right here contains a mine, but it should actually say 3, but if we click it right now, I bet it's going to say 4. Why? Because I forgot another thing. We do not want we do not want to count itself for a neighbor. So let's say mx is not equal to cx we're gonna need parentheses for this, or actually yeah, let's check it right here. Yep, uh, not equal, and my, no, we need a capital X here, and my is not equal to cy. Okay. Uh, what exactly is the problem here? If we run this, it's not going to run. Okay, I don't know why. Oh, we need one more parenthesis. Yeah, I do know. Okay, let's see if it's working now. We click here, it should say 3. Why does it say 1? Okay, this is wrong. Forget it. Let's go up here and change it this way. If m is not equal to I, or actually if m is equal to I and n is equal to j. Yep, we're gonna do it this way. Okay, so by adding that exclamation mark in front of this statement, we mean do this stuff in here whenever this is false. So this way our program is not going to count itself for a neighbor. So right now this should work. I really do hope it's going to say 2 right now, and yeah, it said 2. Now it should say 3. That should say 3 again. Sorry, 4. Yeah. Oh, it scared the shit out of me. Now it should say 2. Now 1. Now 0. Now 1. Now 0. Now 1. Now 5. 4. 3. 4. 3. Yep, it's working perfectly. Okay guys, we're gonna stop right here for this video, and in the next one whenever we reveal one, we're going to either display a bomb or display the number of the neighbor mines it's got. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.